analyzed, and it can be thrown right into your face.
Silicon?
Silicon, that's right. I've got that all pasted in my walls. And it's coming little by little. And if you don't stop, you're going to be in a lot of trouble.
Okay.
Remember that.
The silicon.
I'm giving you so many warnings, and you're not listening.
The silicon.
You're not listening. Right, I'm going to have my socks analyzed, and you're going to see also analyzed silicon on my socks.
Oh,
you'll see, and you're going to see where it's coming from.
Are they Nike socks?
Yeah, it makes no difference what kind they are.
Reeboks?
Don't be funny. Cheap dollar pair of socks, okay? And I'm telling you, I don't want that shiny stuff falling on me.
That's your tinfoil. That's
you.
the tinfoil.
It's up to you.
You put the tinfoil there. I didn't put it there.
Silicon.
I didn't put the tinfoil there. You put the tinfoil there.
That is silicon. I already looked everything up. It is silicon. But that's fine. Wise up. That's all I can tell you. Wise up.